very picky when I go out to restaurants or bars. So even if you go out somewhere, you don't need to go to one of these expensive, fancy places that all the cool people go to. I like simple food, even if it tastes delicious. You don't need to spend a lot of money doing that, like some of my friends that I know. So actually, I think more than them, I probably save 5 times as much when I go out drinking and eating dinner with them. So that's my example on saving money. You have 7 minutes with your one-to-one partner to discuss yours. Don't forget to use this topic.
Hello, Shri.
Hi, how are you, Aditya?
I'm good. I'm good. How about you?
I'm also good. Thank you for asking me.
Where are you from?
I'm calling from Maharashtra state. And you?
I'm in Uttarakhand right now.
Oh, Uttarakhand. That's good. Amazing place.
Same about Maharashtra, I would say.
Mm-hmm.
What do you do?
Bro, I have been working pharmaceutical industry nowadays, and
Which
I'm with
industry? Come again.
pharmaceutical.
Which industry? Pharmaceutical.
Pharmaceutical.
Got it.
What's about you?
I'm still a student.
Astrology student. Okay, it's it.
No, no, no. I'm still a student.
I think I'm so talkative person.
Yeah, because you are interesting. That's why I haven't realized the time. Like it has been past 6 minutes.
Hmm.
Cool.
I think there is a
You are
time.
a charismatic person. You know,
What?
charismatic person. Charismatic. Like you
Yeah,
have some kind of aura.
some kind of.
Aura. I'm just
Yeah,
appreciating you, bro.
yeah, yeah. I'm so like you don't know actually. As a real, I'm so silent. I'm so introverted person. But as a friendly, I'm talking. It's like one type of the all thinking at in my corner setup.
Yeah, you can call yourself selectively extrovert.
No, no, no. I don't like extrovert. You know,
You
but
are not, you don't behave extrovertly with anyone.
no, I'm in the my family also so silence. But in the outside I'm so, like talking most of the like social butterfly.
Like just on chat or in real face to face.
What?
Bye bye, bye bye. Bye bye. Time's up.